Hey folks, Ryan here, and I'm just in front of a new to us Sonic 160BH. This is one cool little coach. Let's take a quick look. So right over here, this is a fiberglass and aluminum construction, and this is just awesome. So anything from the off-road tires right through to the huge awning, the outside speakers. I believe this has right here, I'm not gonna lie, this is a good feature here. Your bottle opener, your full pass-through, your electric jack, your battery kill switch, your window at the front, and this is all in a very light package. This being only in the unweighted, just under 4,000 pounds. You have your water tank here, your outdoor shower, a little more storage over by the bunk area. Let's take a quick look on the inside here. This has got a really cool floor plan in it. So over here, you have this nice L-shaped sectional couch. Now, this is so cool. So it actually has a spot, and I'll show you this. Bear with me here. So right underneath here, there's a couple extra benches so you can set up so that you can turn that little table there into a full dinette, and it gives you the extra seating you need, as you can see here. So more seating than you actually need, and then this turns into a full size bed as well, and I'll show you that in just a second. But I want to show you just how much storage is in this unit. There's storage inside these little benches, but look at this closet, like just massive. And then underneath here, another full closet. This thing is ample storage, and this is in a little 16-foot trailer. Above your kitchen, huge amounts of storage. Drawers underneath there, your microwave, your 2-burner stove, your electric fridge. Now you got your single bunks, but they're rated for 200 pounds. Windows on both. And this is an excellent bathroom, especially for such a little unit. Porcelain toilet, full-size shower with the skylight in there, so actually more than enough spot height for tall people. Good vanity, storage underneath the vanity as well, and this was a nice little touch that was added on there. Easy access for your water pump and your water controls as well. Now I'm going to just quickly show the unit here. I'm going to put everything back, and I'm going to set up the bed just so you can see that as well. And this is a massive bed. More than enough space. It works out to be about a full queen. So quite the good bed. So if you're looking for a absolutely awesome smaller unit that fits everything you're looking for, large bed, bunks, storage, and lightweight, come and check out the Sonic today. Talk soon.